Sums from exercise 7.2 based on two properties. Okay. Sum number 1 is in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is AC. The bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join O and A. Show that OB is equal to OC. And also you are asked to prove that AO bisect angle A. Now how to draw the triangle? देखो पहले हम क्या बनाएंगे, ट्राइंगल ABC बनाएंगे. ओके A B C. Isosceles triangle AB is equal to given as AC. Okay. Now the bisector of B and C. I draw the bisector of B and C. Bisector of B and C black से बनाते हैं. चलो. Bisector of B मतलब it is like this. Bisector of B and bisector of C. It should be like this. This is my bisector of C. Bisector of A and bisector of B. Let them meet each other at O. Clear? Show that OB is equal to OC. I have to prove OB is equal to OC. Not only that, I have to prove AO bisect angle A. Joined AO. I have to prove that AO bisect angle O. Two things you are required to prove. लाइन गई. प्रॉब्लम यही होता है इसमें. ABC. ABC is isosceles triangle. AB is AC. And bisector of B and C meet at O. I have to prove OB is equal to OC and also I have to prove AO bisect angle A. Now what to do? Here in solution we are taking first triangle ABC. In triangle ABC what we are given, we have AB is equal to AC. Okay, so by property I can say angle B is equal to angle C. Which theorem? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? Triangle के equal angle की opposite sides equal, तो और equal side opposite to equal angles are equal both way. So angle B is angle C, so 1/2 angle B is equal to 1/2 angle C. So I can say angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. And OBC is equal to angle OCB. I can say that implies OB is equal to OC. The converse of this theorem, side opposite to equal angles are equal. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. Are equal. This is the region. So OB is equal to OC आ गया. First part is over. Now for second part, I am taking a pair of two triangle. In triangle ABO and triangle ACO, क्योंकि बाइसेक्टर प्रूव करना है ना, so दो एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करना है. हम लेंगे AB is equal to AC given. Not only that, OB is equal to OC we proved. And OA is equal to OA common. So we have learned in our 9th standard SSS axiom. Okay, so triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO. I can apply SSS rule. हमने सीखा नहीं अभी तक, मगर you know in 9th standard you have learned, in 8th standard you have learned by SSS rule. Therefore, that implies angle BAO is equal to angle CAO CPCT. Therefore, OA bisect angle A. हो गया ना? Very simple. Clear? Now second sum. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector of BC मतलब it bisect the BC मतलब BD is equal to CD. Not only that, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is also 90. Two things are given. It covered two given data. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. मतलब I have to prove AB is equal to AC. Right? Isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. अब इधर हम सॉल्यूशन में क्या करेंगे? What is given to you? AD is perpendicular to BC. Given, okay? Also, AD bisects BC. Two things are given. So I can write that implies CD is equal to BD. Not only that, it implies angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, and that is 90 degree. Clear? Two things are with me. This is my number 1 and this is my number 2. These are the two given data in a simplified form. Now I will take a pair of two triangle. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. What I can take? AD is equal to AD common. Okay. One side is common. Another angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, and that is 90 by 2. And BD is equal to CD by 1. Clear? So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by SAS rule, two side and one included angle. Therefore, by CPCT I can write AB is equal to AC, CPCT. Therefore, it implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, two sides are equal, so it is isosceles triangle. Clear? Very simple. Now in third sum you are given triangle ABC is an isosceles. उल्टा है. ABC is isosceles triangle in which altitude B and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. AB and AC are equal sides, and two altitudes are drawn, one B on AC and CF on AB. Show that these altitudes are equal. मतलब I am asked to prove that B is equal to CF. So हम क्या करेंगे सॉल्यूशन में? बोलो. In triangle ABC, what is given? AB is equal to AC दिया है. So by theorem, property I can say angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Why? Because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. A reason लिखा मैंने because करके. Okay, here you can put symbol because. So this is my number 1. I can use it whenever I need it. ओके। अब मैं दो जोड़ी लेती हूँ ट्राइंगल के। इन ट्राइंगल EBC एंड ट्राइंगल नहीं, एक ट्राइंगल लेती हूँ मैं FBC, सॉरी, ट्राइंगल FBC एंड ट्राइंगल EBC, ओके। ECB, सॉरी, EBC नहीं, करस्पॉन्डेंस में C पहले आएगा, B बाद में। ECB, जहां से एक खत्म होता है वहां से दूसरा शुरू करेंगे। FBC and ECB. What is given? Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB by 1. We proved. Angle BFC is equal to angle CEB 90 degree, because given altitude, they are the altitude on the side, so 90 degree. And BC is equal to BC common. BC is equal to CB common. BC is equal to CB common, okay. So triangle FBC, फिर से गड़बड़ किया, ट्राइंगल FBC is congruent to triangle ECB by AAS rule, okay. ASA and AAS both are acceptable. That implies FC is equal to EB. That is, altitudes are equal. Okay, altitudes are equal. हो गया? Clear? Now we are doing next sum. Next sum is triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitude B and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. It's the converse of that. In previous sum, altitudes are equal, we require to prove. And sides are equal was given. Here, altitudes are equal given. And we are asked to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. And also we have to prove AB is equal to AC. It is one way, it is converse of that previous sum. हम solution के लिए शुरू करेंगे a pair of triangle in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. दो ट्राइंगल लिया, क्या लेंगे हम? एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल A कॉमन, दोनों ट्राइंगल में एंगल कॉमन है. एंगल AEB इज इक्वल टू एंगल AFC, that is 90 degree given. Clear? And what else? B is equal to CF, that is given. So I can say triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by AAS rule. देखा? Therefore, directly I can say by CPCT, ये ट्राइंगल तो प्रूव हो गया कॉन्ग्रुएंट. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओवर एंड सेकंड पार्ट के लिए जस्ट डायरेक्टली आई कैन राइट AB इज इक्वल टू AC just by CPCT. So second part is also automatically proved. So ABJC मतलब triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides equal. Okay? That complete your proof of sum number 4. Now sum number 5 की figure देखो. Triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. BC is common base and both are isosceles triangle. So that angle ABD is equal to angle AC. ABD is equal to angle ACD. That what we want to prove. कुछ नहीं है. Congruency of triangle से हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन में हम क्या करेंगे बोलो. What is given? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle given. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. ACB. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is AC. That implies angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is number 1. Okay. Similarly, I can say triangle DBC is an again isosceles triangle. That implies DB is equal to DC. When DB is equal to DC, that implies angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. This is number 2. Here also same by theorem. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? Now, by 1 and 2. By 1 and 2, what can we say? By adding both. Angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. ये दोनों का टोटल आएगा एंगल ABD एंड ये दोनों का टोटल आएगा एंगल ACD. एंगल ABD इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACD आ गया कि नहीं? क्लियर? वही तो प्रूव करना था. देखो, दिस एंगल इज दिस एंगल. Clear? And that proved your sum number 5 of 7.2. Sum number 6 is in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. छोटा ट्राइंगल फिगर में अंदर जो छोटा है ना, AB is equal to AC, isosceles triangle. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. मतलब A is going to become a midpoint of BD. Show that angle BCD is right angle triangle. BCD is right angle triangle प्रूव करना है. ओके, अब देखो हम क्या करेंगे. ट्राइंगल ABC is isosceles. ओके, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so I can say AB is equal to AC. That implies angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. By theorem that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, this is the region. Ab I call it this also AB is AC, and also you are given AB is AD also by construction. So naturally ये दोनों को मिला के AB is AC उसको हम नंबर 1 देते हैं और AB is AD उसको हम नंबर 2 देते हैं. तो by 1 and 2 क्या आया? AC is equal to AD आया. AC is equal to AD मतलब ट्रायंगल ACB is again isosceles triangle. AC is equal to AD. So I can say that implies triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Therefore, that implies angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. इसको मैं Y ले लेती हूँ. Okay. Because angle opposite to equal sides are equal, same region. Now in triangle ABC, DBC, sorry. Angle D plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. फिगर में एक को मैंने Y ले लिया, एक को हम X ले लेंगे. क्या ले लेंगे? किस एंगल को X ले लेंगे? ये जो है ना AB is equal to AC. So this two angle will be considered as X. और ये एंगल को हम we consider as Y. So according to this figure, D plus B plus C is 180. D के लिए हम लिखेंगे Y plus X. B के लिए A के लिए हमने लिया, B के लिए हमने लिया Y, B के लिए हमने लिया X और C के लिए हमने लिया X plus Y. AY, AX और AX plus Y. So 2x plus 2y is 180. Implies x plus y is 90. But x plus y is nothing but angle DCB is 90 degree. Clear? BCD और DCB. वही तो प्रूव करना है अपने को. क्या प्रूव करना है? एंगल BCD इज ए राइट एंगल. DBC बोलो या BCD बोलो, एक ही बात है ना. क्लियर? Now in this sum, triangle ABC is right angle triangle at A. AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and C. Very simple. देखो मैं ट्रायंगल बना दूं. Clear? This is my C, this is my A, this is my B. Right? अब देखो ये दोनों साइड इक्वल. So naturally these two angles are also equal. This two angle I consider as X. And this angle is 90 degree. Okay? अब देखो. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. And AB is AC. That implies angle B is equal to angle C is suppose X. Now, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. But angle A is 90. So 90 plus angle B plus angle C is 180. So my angle B plus C is 90. Implies angle B plus angle C is 90. But B is also x and C is also x. X plus x is 90. So my 2x is 90. So my x is 45. So my angle B and angle C both are equal and each one is equal to 45 degree. This is my answer. Okay. Now the next sum is also very similar to this. In triangle sum number A, prove that angles of an equilateral triangle are of 60 degree. अब देखो कोई भी इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल हम बनाएंगे, यू नो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल मतलब ऑल थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल. अब देखो ट्रायंगल ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, what can you say? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C by definition. But angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 and each angle are equal. So suppose B और C के लिए मैं A लिख दूं तो 3 टाइम एंगल A is also 180 और A और C के लिए B लिख दूं then 3 टाइम एंगल B is also 180 and C की A और B के लिए मैं एंगल C लिख दूं तो 3 टाइम एंगल C all equal to 180 डिग्री. इसका मतलब आया एंगल A is एंगल B is एंगल C is 60 डिग्री. ओके, वेरी सिंपल, क्लियर.